Aloha internet friends, welcome back to my channel. We have a full body dumbbell workout here. If you haven't done the warm-up, go check that video out. Suitcase squats here with the dumbbells in both hands, and then right into our reverse lunges. Keeping that body upright here and stepping back with that toe, finding that balance, keeping the core on, right into these split stance deadlifts. Make sure that you are hip hinging and both knees are bending a little bit here, the back knee slightly more than the front knee. Core is on. Take your time. Right into our regular deadlifts. Make sure you are hip hinging. Keep the weights close to your legs. You do not have to go all the way down to the ankles. You could just go to the knees on that one. And then we'll just go right into some Arnold presses. I like to keep my feet close here, core on, knees a little bit bent. Burning out the shoulders, go right into a hammer press, 10 to 15 reps. Push it out. Give those shoulders a little break with this side crunch with the weight. Make sure your armpit is coming up to the sky. Don't pull forward at all. And then you'll keep it more in the oblique. See how I'm crunching from the side and not from the back. Okay, back to our shoulders. We're going reverse fly and into a row. I have a split stance here, and then I just switched my legs for another 10 to 15 on the other side. Take your time. And then to burn out those rows again with a tricep kick back here, one arm at a time. You could also place your opposite hand on a table or a bench, but you want to be bent over, right into shoulders. This one will work our lateral delts. Keep your elbows bent, and then we'll go right into these external rotations. Keep the elbow high. You might need to lower the weight for these. Be careful with those. Don't do too many. Really focus on structure on that one. And then just burn out the shoulders with a press. Into some core work. Let's do rotational push-ups. This one I'm showing you first with modification with the knees down. Nice push up to the sky. I'm just switching my arms with the weight. Or go full push-up and rotational push with the weight. Switching to a side plank on each side. Have fun with those. Try to do as many as you can. I think I did about 10. Right into, let's do some quads. Give our upper body a break. These quad leans, take your time. I am having a weight in my front, but you could do these without. Okay, so now a side lunge here. Stay on the same side. And then I am doing just like a little extension with that arm. Nice and slow. You can see I'm taking my time to make sure that my knee is going over my big toe. Keep the knee going over the big toe. Right into a side lunge with both your weights. So adding some more weight. Again, try to go hip hinge. We want the belly and the thigh to come together as best they can as we are moving side to side. Right into our sumo squat, and I added a bicep curl here. Try as best you can to not lean over too much, even though those weights will pull you forward a little bit. Try to keep that tailbone tucked under. Back to our core. Find your V-sit, heels down here first, pushing up to the sky with those weights. Find your balance, and then move into rowing with our single weight here. Take your time. It's important to go slow with control because you want to keep the back safe. And then see if you can do another press. I had to go down a little bit in weight to be able to balance. First, I'm just doing extensions with the knees, and then see if you can hold for a few and push, push, push. These ones are tricky. Take your time. Right into, let's just burn out the triceps here with some skull crushers. I like to lift the legs just to give my quads and my hip flexors just a little bit of work. Plus, it gets us ready for this one, was probably the hardest one. And we are doing opposite leg lift and arm extension here. Take your time with this one. It's super fun and challenging. This one for our pecs, and then I'm just squeezing those knees together like a clamshell. Finish up with some jackknives. I hope you love this workout. Let me know in the comments if you like these exercises. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.